JX Mind. Welcome to JX Mind. My name is Jun. Today I'm gonna show you how to disable Windows Update on Windows 10. So the first thing you need to do is to type on the search bar Services, and then make sure you run it as an administrator. After that, locate the item name Windows Update. You can also press W to quickly jump to the items starting with letter W. As you can see, Windows Update status is currently running and the startup type is automatic. Now right-click and choose Properties. Now go to Startup Type and choose Disabled on the drop-down menu. Hit Apply and then OK. Now, restart your Windows machine to persist the changes. Another alternative is to pause the updates in case you don't have an administrator account. On the search bar, just search for Windows Update Settings. Click Advanced Options and turn off all of the switches. Now go to Pause Updates and select the most distant date. This alternate method will let you postpone Windows Update until the most distant date. Take note that after that date, you may have to revisit Windows Update settings and choose the most distant date again. So that's how you disable or pause Windows Update at least. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos like this one.